Hi guys, welcome to Essentially Elevated. We have a fun little do-it-yourself recipe today for Wednesday wellness tips. So I'm going to show you the recipe to make your own mouthwash. You want to be careful anytime you do any kind of recipe. Just make sure that you're using glass containers and that you have, at least boil them with hot water before you use them, just to make sure that you have a pure product. And also, another super important tip is to always use distilled water, not tap water, because it encourages bacterial growth. And to, of course, keep it in a cool place away from the sunlight. So this little mouthwash right here, I got this little glass container. Make sure it has a cap. And I just added up to here of distilled water. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Of course, if you have sensitivity or something, just make sure you try it out first, like one night, see how it feels before you adopt it as a routine, because everybody's different. But I've had sensitive teeth too, and I haven't been feeling like any kind of discomfort. So wait, you can add 6 drops of the Melaleuca and then just 1 drop of On Guard, because this is very strong. You don't want to add more than 1. It is a hot oil, and it has clove and cinnamon leaf, which, you want to try it out to see how it feels first. So the reason why I added this 1 drop, it was because On Guard has these gum protection properties. It's very antibacterial. It has, it's great to use every time you've had some kind of dentist procedure, dentistry, cosmetic, whatever it is, or even an extraction. On Guard is a great disinfectant, and it helps promote healthy teeth and healthy gums. That's why we use it in our toothpaste, in our On Guard toothpaste. So what's good about On Guard is that, for example, what happened to me was I was one of those people who started growing their wisdom teeth around their 30s, and I bought a small little brush to clean them, one of those the ones you use when you have braces. But I've also found that rinsing with this homemade recipe of mouthwash has really lowered the inflammation sometimes, because it's you know how it is with wisdom teeth. I do not plan to have them extracted, so it's they're starting to open up these passages in your gums, and it's very painful, worse than growing pains. So I have found a lot of relief by adding that On Guard, and I was just very intuitively drawn to add that extra component. But in any case, if you are not that fond of cinnamony kind of toothpastes, then you can most certainly add an extra drop of peppermint. Yeah, I guess I was gonna say cinnamon, but I'm trying to give a solution to people who don't like cinnamon. So yeah, you can add peppermint. Melaleuca and peppermint go very well together. And I forgot to tell you, another extra benefit of using On Guard on your toothpaste is that, of course, we know On Guard boosts your immunity. There's a lot of glands and pores and little things going on in your mouth, so it doesn't just cleanse your mouth, it also helps you raise your immunity, because it gets directly absorbed from the mouth into the bloodstream. So that's what I think is so neat about it. It's that extra immunity boosting properties. Yeah, basically what's great about making your own mouthwash is that, there's a lot of products out there that have a lot of alcohol and, just a lot of chemicals. And what they do is they dry out your mouth. And not only that, they also encourage a lot of bacterial growth, because they're just masking. They're not really cleansing your mouth. When you gargle with this blend, you will definitely feel your mouth clean, like you just ate wasabi or something that just just refreshed your entire mouth. So have fun with your recipes. Of course, don't be mixing hot oils and things like that if you are not diluting them, and find what works for you. Bye.